Show some spirit. Let's be a true fight.
It's kind of cool how they just kind of, you know, burst into flame. That's pretty great.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
Okay. I'm gonna come through here. Oh, where's he getting in front of him?
Drop your guard. I promise a quick death.
That's a key. What did I just do? No, this is wrong. So what did I just do here?
Show some spirit. Let it be a true
Whatever,
fight.
bro. Let's just fight. I haven't even... Oh, there's more.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight. quick death. Show some spirit! Let's do a true fight!
Troops trained in the use of hacking weapons should be supplied with battle axes, warhammers, those familiar with slashing weapons know the best use of broad-bladed sword and the great sword spear. Broad-bladed spear can go to men skilled in thrusting weapons. Ranged weapons include crossbows and throwing blades. Remember, warriors. All various weapon types prove effective against different types of opponents. Ugh, that was really difficult to read.
By all that's merciful, how is it that you live?
Death is near. It comes soon.
Take heart. I'll not leave you here to die.
I'm dead already. Nothing you can do. Parsifal, they need you.
I am not Parsifal. Here, let me help.
No, I'm dying. If there is strength in you, find him. Parsifal.
Parsifal? Who is he? Tell me and I shall do as you ask.
A loyal man. A friend. He fights his way here for me. Stop him. I beg you.
Ease your spirit, I beg that of you. How will I know this Parsifal? How will he know me?
I am Lord Griffin. My ring. The signet. He will know it. Thank you for your kindness.
Thank me not. I take no joy in this, taking news of your death to a friend.
Listen, there is a chamber hidden in my quarters. Find it. There, find such as may aid you greatly.
Rest now, Lord Griffin.
Leave now, my friend, before the Thanes return.
Ugh. That's great. It uses all your MP to try to cast it. That's great. It just won't turn. That's really bad. So blue's an NPC. Oh, I haven't gone to this room. Okay, that's probably where I have to go. Oh, it's just a wine barrel. Oh wait, no, not there. This way. Over. Oh, there we go, stairs. Okay. That's when we
Show
are.
some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
Where is this guy? Oh, he's to my left. White leather sack. What the fuck do I do with this? What? No, hold on. I don't want that in my hand. Why would I want a sack? Oh, it adds inventory space. Oh, okay. No, I don't need to do it that way. I don't think I want to walk through that. I think that would be bad to walk through. Those are spikes, and I just walk through them like an idiot. Yup. Like a complete fucking idiot.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
Look here. I got a crazy head. Because the weapons look old and useless.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards. Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight. Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
I wonder if I can kite enemies because it seems like no, whoa, what just happened? I'm getting hit by something.
I have no pity for cowards.
the game I was playing. Okay. I need to save.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
What to do? Not that kind of character.
Drop your guard, I promise a quick death.
Where is that coming from? I can't do anything with that. Oh, it's a window. Okay. Oh, that's kind of alright. Whatever. This way. Oh, shit. Did I just wear this? Oh, I have to put it in my hand. Wait. 1d8. 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 Oh, these are the same weapon. I don't know what this is for. Oh, it's the book. It's my spell book. I need another key. There might be one down there. Oh, where is it down here? More locked doors. More locked doors.
Drop your guard, I promise a quick death.
Fucking.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
There's a key. Pick that back the fuck up. You gotta put that back in your hand. You can throw it like a javelin. I don't think I should open the one right next to it.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
No. Stop trying to do that.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
Oh. You can break things apparently. What did I just trigger? I just triggered a door. Ah, mother.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
He's coming from behind the thing. I don't like this.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards. some spirit. Let it be a true fight. Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
It looks like mist.
Stand where you are. I'll fight if I must. What manner of creature are you?
Yeah, that's what I'm reading, alright.
Not a creature, I'm a man. Changed like the others.
What do you mean?
The people of the city.
Can you tell me? What has happened here?
A hideous magic. The power he keeps. The warlord. Pulls of flesh and spawns of blood. He changed us all.
Everyone's become monsters? Defenders? Women? Children?
All but a very few. For one, there is a small shadow. It watches me.
The creatures, they don't attack you?
I fear them not. Or perhaps the magic has changed me enough so the creatures see me as their own.
If there were anything I could do, I would.
No. Too late for me and the city. We were a great trade center. Our very house is hewn from gemstone.
Houses made of gems. It was a rich city.
The gem mines beneath us worked day and night. Gladly we would have given it all.
If only the warlord were interested in treasure.
He seeks dominion over all that is good.
A shadow, you say? A beast?
That I doubt. But I know not. It is quick and small. I cannot approach it.
Good luck to you, and goodbye.
Remember, if I have the luck to survive, so do you.
I'll do more than survive. That I promise.
What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. All I got is a key to journal. Okay, what's the journal say? It's this one. For the record, I have passed on the order of the consul, yet though I command the forces of the underground city, few will listen to such cowardice. Leave in your group, they say. Allow your homes to be destroyed by the greatest collection of evil scum ever to walk the good land of Tempest. We shall not. The commoners will not leave, and my men will not. Together we shall die defending the city. Okay, I should drop these. I'm gonna drop them. like a key item? Can I just... whatever. Put in the books right there. Okay. Okay, we gotta be careful for these fucking hell demons. Are these useless? Yeah. Key, potion, that's it. Okay. Key, which might be, you know, because keys are generally important. So I haven't been talking. I've decided that I'm gonna post this on YouTube, so I'm gonna start talking. I don't know anything about this game. I know absolutely nothing about this game. I'm just playing it. Just playing it for the heck of it. I found it off an abandonware website. What the fuck is that? I'm not gonna go. Wait, what the is this like the same guy? It is.
Good luck to you.
Remember,
Wait, what? Oh, okay, so that's the portal place. There was an enemy there that I killed. This is the closed door that had the second chest. Okay. There's a stairway. That's the stairway out. Okay. So let's try this way. What the fuck is this trap? Or aren't they just like shooting arrows or something? Oh, freak! That's annoying. Okay, let's go this way, and this way. Nothing else for filling out the map. All this stuff. I need to stop running. I can't get closer to it.
Our hallowed mark is carved from stone. Give it up, and by that right, come right in.
Okay, I gotta find a gem. That's a really easy riddle. Especially because they were talking about the gemstone at the beginning. Oh, that's what this place is. This is, everything around us is gems. That's cool. Yeah, get the shit out of here. Come on. Kill this fucking guy. Yeah. Kill the fucking homies. Okay. Did he drop anything? Okay. Still hear it. Oh, I can put the keys in these. Okay. We'll do that after we finish exploring just this floor. I don't want to end up like the last dungeon, where I don't know what I'm doing. I probably should have kept clearing it for loot. I don't think there was going to be anything in there. It's like the first place. It's kind of sad now that I think about it. Oh, freaking. Sapphire tier key. Is there a fucking other one? I gotta look up what those do. Let's see what Maggie implants do. Oh, these restore spell points. Oh, okay, so I do need to use something to restore spells. Let's go this way. My last health potion. I should save. Right there. Yeah. Okay. Let's go down the hallways. All the hallways look the same. What type of keyhole is that? It's not a leaf keyhole. So it's not one of these. These are all leaf keys. I think those were the first ones we saw. The sapphire tier ones are probably blue locks. Oh yeah, they probably all just have like names that relate to colors. Okay, let's go up. There's the sapphire key. Okay. What the fuck? That's actually less terrifying. That just looks like I don't know if I'm kicking its ass or about to die. I just died. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Okay, maybe I'm not supposed to be here. Damn, I gotta go far away. Wait. Is that another exit? Is another exit. Okay, so where am I right now? So I need to get here to the Dark Lantern. Whoa, what the fuck? This shit up here looks crazy. It's fucking Fire Mountain. There's the Anvil of Dawn. Damn, this game looks fucking expansive. The Eye of Clay. What's this? What's this right here? Wait, is that the only direction I can go from here? I think it's the only direction I can go from this. Yep. Okay, we gotta go back inside. Let's try the teleporter. Oh, great. Freaking great. Really? Must be. Flee! Run away! Oh my god. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of here. There we go, okay. Let's look around a little bit more now. Let's go this way. And this way. I have no idea where we are, so, you know.
Greetings. You don't have the look of the warlord's men about you.
You count yourself such a judge, do you? Trust no one behind the lines.
I won't turn my back on you. Still, I count myself judge enough to let you live.
Generous. A generous fate for a coward.
Why that word? Because you live? I'm alive and no coward.
Lord Griffin's keep just west of here. It fell to the warlord. Not one man yielded but me. Curse my skills, for they helped me escape. I would have run all the way to the Dark Lantern if I could.
Wait. My pardon. But the Dark Lantern you speak of, which way?
To the east. The top of the lantern is visible even from here. But the causeway is destroyed. A powerful magic shattered every stone. I fear the Dark Lantern is unreachable.
If it stands, I'll find a way with it.
You may indeed if you stay so stubborn. There were sources of magic in the keep. Perhaps something useful still remains.
What skills are these that you think them signs of cowardice?
I'm Parsifal the Tracker.
Oh,
My way is the way of
Found it.
stealth. It served me well in escaping the fate of my fellows. It shall serve me again when I return to Lord Griffin's keep.
I've been to the keep and saw your lord. He is broken, dying.
They torture the commander of a keep. A slow death. Your words cut deep. Was there nothing you could do?
No. His life spirit was all but gone.
If Griffin lives, I can yet save him.
He wants no rescue. He orders you to escape. Live to fight again.
He would not order me from him. I do not believe you.
Lord Griffin knew you would try to save him, so he gave me this. The signet ring of Lord Griffin. He bade me pass it on to you.
He would never have given this up if yet a chance remained he might live. If the armies of Tempest will have me, I'll go to them.
Loyal Parsifal, what aid can I offer you?
None. But you may have need of this. It contains a few gold talons. Even in a conquered land, you will find coin useful.
What possesses you to share gold with a stranger?
You say I'm no coward. For that alone I owe you thanks. Whatever you're about, you'll need coin. And that I can give.
My thanks. I'll put it to what use I can. The gods keep you well, and may the warlord's men know your rage.
They shall. I promise you.
okay, well, I got money.
Causeway's out, and I'll not swim and risk losing supplies.
Let's get a boat. I don't know how that's supposed to prevent anything. So where the fuck am I? Oh, I'm right here. Okay, so we're in the keep. Here's the Dark Lantern, so this is where I am. Over here is the Grand Palace. Bunch of farmland. The barrier. seek another trail, but perhaps there is a way to mend the link between shore and stone. It's called a fucking boat. Okay, we need to go back. Found the keep commander, Lord Griffin himself, shackled to a dungeon wall beyond saving, broken in both body and spirit. He pleaded with me. Okay. I stepped through a void gate led to the long mine cellar. A small keep Griffin's keepmaker tells me to make a quick exile, but what is involved to move fast. I'm sure it would be nice to explore and discover whatever may be of use here. As Araya was convinced I must seek out the Dark Lantern and hold counsel with the mage that dwells within, I may be tempted to take another path, but the old one was quite persistent. It may not be a good idea to steer away from the path he set me on. Once I have paid a visit to both the magician and the armorer, I intend to meet the okay. Where's the core magician and the armorer? After I see them, I intend to seek out the palace and the sage. Okay. Okay.
Good luck to you.
Remember,
I'll do more than...
Okay. We need to be more careful here. I need to get a better handle on combat. I just get better gear. the exit was just really close to the beginning. Oh, you know what? I could put stone thing now. It's kind of a hassle now. That's the rucksack. That's it.
Show some spirit! Let it be a true fight! Show some spirit! Let it be a true fight!
Such a